Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how can you upload video on Google Drive using iPhone. So in this case what you need is open your iPhone or an iPad and then go to Google Drive app. So after which what you need is on this particular section, click the plus button or the add section. Next what you need is you could see this drop down menu. So from there you want to click on upload. Once you click on the upload button, select whether you want photos and videos or browse. So click on photos and videos, and after which you want to make sure to go ahead and enable the permission. So click on allow access to all photos. After which you want to select the particular photo that you want to add. So click on the recent photos or the one that you wish to add. Then you have to go ahead and select the photos or just go to or select multiple and click on upload. And once you've done with that procedure, you've successfully uploaded video on Google Drive using iPhone. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.